Ramogi kama sudo wangi midiero kata mudho ma oimo Mwangaza. Gavana ma Meru Mwangaza odhi nyime gi kwedo ketho duto ma itude godo e nyim od bura mar Senate. Mwangaza wacho ni weche mag MCAs ma tude godo gin mag miriambo kendo ne ok owinjore thiche oko e apisi. Senators igeno mar goyo ombulu nyaka Ramogi e yiero ka Mwangaza dhi pacho kata oyo. Owinjane kaka weche dhi nyime e od bura mar Senate nyaka Ramogi gi e kindene.
Is it the person who is in war with all the leaders in the particular in the entire county? Is it the person who is not even in good terms with his senator? Whom should we believe? Should we not believe leader? What personal vendetta would leader be having? She is not vying for a seat of governor. It matters not that whether she was a running mate to the previous candidate or not, but it matters that an offense was committed. We urge you, honorable senators, to find that in revoking the appointment of CPA Virginia Kawira, Governor Kawira violated the Constitution. She violated Article 10 of the Constitution on the question of the rule of law. She violated Article 27 on the equality before the law and the equal benefits of the law, that Virginia was not subjected to equal protection and equal benefit of the law under Article 27. She equally violated Article 50, that she was not given a fair trial or a fair opportunity to defend her case. When put to task, she attempts to become a linguistic, to purport to differentiate between removal and revocation. When called to task to read the provisions of Section 58 and Section 59 of the County Government Act, honorable senators, she simply could not distinguish. At the end of the day, whether a revocation or a dismissal, it never followed the due process. The County Assembly was never involved. It violated that particular provision. And for that reason, Governor Kawira must take responsibility. Taking responsibility is not an act of cowardice, it's not an act of weakness, it's an act of saying, yes, I was wrong. It's an act of admitting when somebody is wrong. And that is what Article 10 speaks about, the question of accountability. And that is what Article 73, which Governor Kawira has violated, speaks about. Article 73, honorable senators, speaks about a person who holds the office of a governor or any other office in the Republic of Kenya, breathing confidence in that particular office. When Governor Kawira lies blatantly, openly to the whole world that she was able to procure an advisory opinion, who can believe her? Is she breathing confidence in that particular office? Should she not be held to account? Is she not bringing that office to disrepute? Honorable senators, we submit that that particular charge has been sufficiently proved. On the question of the appointment of the chairpersons, again we prove that we have been able to dispose of our burden of not proving this allegation beyond reasonable doubt, but on balance of probability that yes, Governor Kawira has crippled the operations of the Meru County by blatantly failing and ignoring and or neglecting to execute her functions as the chief executive of Meru County. That amounted to the violation of Section 4 of the Public Appointments Act, in that requires when the governor is bestowed with the responsibility of a duty to follow the provisions of the law. Can she be acquitted? How many times is Governor Kawira going to commit transgressions and get away with it? How many times? When she gets away with the transgressions, where do we leave the people of Meru County? Do the people of Meru County equally deserve justice? Should there not be a balance between the people of Meru County? Where should the balance lie? How should the balance swing? In whose favor is the balance swinging?
Ramogi kamano kaka weche twerore od bura mar Senate kama motelo ne Kawira Mwangaza oduoko penjo kuom seyo ma obi kuome leri medo chiu gi ji mopogore opogore nyaka Ramogi wi wachno ka bende owinjore